Hi everyone, it's Carl Alchin here from the Information Lab in London. Just thought I'd talk you through Tableau Prep's new functionality that's coming in 2020.3, the ability to write to the database. Let's just have a quick look at what flow we're going to use. It's just a simple join between a table of orders and products, joining those together and then just kind of cleaning up the excess fields that are within there. The way the dataset actually looks like is we've got a product ID, type, sent, in terms of our product table and our orders table, just a simple order ID, product ID, value and volume. Now, for our users, maybe they don't know what these product IDs are. So rather than just having our data set sit within there, what we actually want to do is just tidy that up and give a bit more human names behind it. That way we've imported from our Excel sheet, in this case our order ID and product ID, joined on that product to product ID, using Prep's nice intuitive tool when it comes to seeing what the inputs and outputs of the joins are and those mismatches, all the way through to cleaning. If you use Tableau Prep for a while, that's really clear and easy, understanding through the flow and the profile pane in the center of the screen. What's new is when I go to add the output, I don't just have the option of just creating a file or publishing my data source now to a Tableau server. I've got this third option to actually export to a database. When I select that database, I can say what type of database I've actually got. In this case, I'm going to export out to a PostgreSQL database that's running locally on my laptop. But there's most of the big standard databases in terms of Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, Teradata, etc. within there. I'm going to select PostgreSQL. That lets me just go and drop in my database, or the actual server that's running on. So that's locally on my machine, as I mentioned. Connect to my database. And I've just created a little proxy account here just to help us go and understand how to dive into that account. I'm going to sign in. And when I do, we get the connection into the database. Just to show you what's here, I've got it open within my web page, and I can see that I've just got a couple of tables here, just outputs from other prep and data tables. I'm going to go and write this new data set in. So I have the choice to use any of the existing table names within my data set, or I can create something new. Let's call it write to DB. I have the option to create this as a new table. And I've still got the options that came in 2020.2 around how I want to actually refresh and update this data set. You'll see that only the matching details coming through. I'm just using an inner join at the moment, so I'm going to expect to get those 4 rows of data back. When I run that flow, Tableau says we're done. And if I dive back into our database and actually just refresh what those objects are that I have in the mix, I've now got 3 tables, and my write to database table is actually available within my database now. Obviously, databases can create a whole load of challenges for most people. This is going to be a simple piece to really allow people to be able to dive in, create their own data sets, and actually load them back in. If you're not used to working with databases, creating a sandpit environment or asking for that from your administrator is a great way just to start to learn how to use databases. For more experienced users, this tool is really going to help us save a lot of time. I've been testing this for a while. I really like what we see. So that's Write to Database coming in Tableau 2020.3. And just as a reminder, I'm Carl from the Information Lab. If you like this video, we've got others on the new releases coming up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and speak to you all again soon. Thank you.